it's 4:30. It's 4:29 right now. And you guys eat at 5 o'clock, right? Say yes. So it's not time to eat. No. Didn't you have a snack? Did you have a snack at 3? Hey, you had a snack. Did you not have a snack? And you're gonna, all right. You guys gotta lie down. We're gonna eat at 5 o'clock. Okay? Can you eat at 5 o'clock? Sit. Both of you sit. Charlie, sit. Lie down. All right, let's go. You hungry? Let's go. Sit. This happens almost every day. I'm at my desk trying to do some work. 3, 4 o'clock, the shakedown starts. It's 4:30 and I buckled. Who runs the house, huh? We put out stuff like this every week. You hit the subscribe button and you get stuff every week. It's a lot of fun with the pups. Just want to share it all with you. Also check out GardenFork, the show that I'm in. DIY, cooking, gardening, home improvement, beekeeping, stuff like that. Or they're also in the GardenFork show, by the way. Make it a great day. See ya.